How to find someone in Hinge dating application. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Hinge and make sure you are logged into your specific account. In this homepage, the profile of other people will be available to you. You can scroll down and find more of it. So let's say you want to connect with this person. First of all, in add a comment section, you will need to write something in order to start the conversation. Once you have written something, tap on send like at the bottom right corner. Well, you have successfully liked that person. Now, if that person is also willing to connect with you and get to know each other, that person will also have to tap on send like. Once that person also hit on send like, then you two will be able to connect with each other. Once you both are connected, tap on this message icon at the bottom. The profile of that person will be visible in this piece. All you want to do is click on it. The inbox of that person will appear. You will be able to send the message and have chat with them. And then slowly, you two will be able to get to know each other more. So that's it, and this is how you can find someone on Hinge application. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.